And now it is time for our first special guest of the day.
All right, we're talking about hobbies. You know, I'm still looking for people with hobbies. Now, check this hobby out. I'm talking about all the stuff on the table. Now, we're going to talk with James Hossbach. That's right?
That's right.
All
Jim's
right.
good enough.
Jim, we'll talk about it, Jim. Now, this is what I want to know. How does all this start, to start with?
Well, we get a piece of wood like that.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
basswood, comes from a
Okay.
linden tree.
Right.
And it works very well for carving and for burning
Okay.
when you burn the feathers on.
Right.
Then we make a pattern and we
Okay.
cut out the shape, and then we begin to put it into a
Roughly
a
carve
shape
it
of a
out,
bird.
shape it out.
And after we do that, and people will ask me, like when I was teaching before, they'd say, well, Jim, how do I know whether I'm going to get a duck out of here? And I said, you cut away everything that doesn't look like a duck, and you'll have it.
Now, these are just some amazing pieces here that we're looking at. I mean, the first thing I want to ask you is, how long does it take you to do something like we're looking at a duck picture there? You know, how long does it take for something like that?
Depends upon the species and how
Right.
much detail is in there. These were the ones that I started with when I first learned to do this.
Right. Those look pretty simple. Not simple,
That's
but
a
it looks
decoy.
easier.
Yeah, that's a decoy. That's one that a hunter would use to shoot over. He'd put those out in the water to lure the other ducks in.
All right, now this one.
Now
This
that
one's
one
got
is
feathers
a
on
lot
it.
of
right.
detail.
That's a
Look
at
decorative
this.
carving. That one there and this one here are both decorative carvings. This is a
Wow.
Carolina wood duck.
Okay.
That is a green-winged teal.
Carolina wood duck I have in my hand. Wow. All right, you like doing birds. You like doing that.
Oh yeah, it's been quite fun. I've been doing it for some years, and I've taught several years, and I will be teaching again
Okay.
at Coastal Carolina if I get as many as 6 students sign up for the fall class.
So we're looking for some students. If you want to learn how to do this, you know, he's looking for 6 students, and he'll be teaching it at Coastal.
That's right.
Right? It's hard to
Tuesdays
believe
and
that that
Thursdays.
block of wood turns into these
That is. That's
amazing
hard to believe. These
pieces
are
right
beautiful
here.
pieces.
Yeah.
Come on.
I
Especially
thank you
the
very
little
much.
hummingbird. I mean,
Yeah,
it's so teeny
it's so
tiny
neat.
and such
I thank you
detail
so
on it.
much for even inviting me to let me show these to your audience.
Absolutely.
This happens to be a Cooper's hawk.
Okay.
Now, keep in mind that if I made that full size, he would be like this long.
I know it. That's a small version.
That's a small version.
Yeah.
The rest are full-size birds.
Okay.
As far as that goes. That's a magnolia warbler, the yellow one with the black, and this is an eastern bluebird.
Right.
All right,
Okay.
great.
Well,
Well,
Jim,
thank
we
you so
thank you.
much, Jim.
We
This
thank
is
you so much. I
amazing.
wish we had more time, but we don't.
It's-
We got so many guests today.
It's been my pleasure.
Thank you so
very
much.
And
much.
check them out at CCU if you want to learn how to do this. And now